everyone, this is Medad with Prairie Grain Analyzers. We are in Agri-Trade 2021 and I want to show you all of our products. This is MA405, our portable moisture tester. It's the most accurate one right now in the world. And it's very quick, so all you need to do, you just turn it on like that and it takes 3 seconds to boot up. And this is how you put the grain in the cup. Then you need to level it off and just choose your grain here and dump the sample. It's going to show you moisture, temperature, and test weight. And it gives you a printout as well. And if you tag the results, you could put like bin number, field name, and all those information. You could also have it on your phone, on the app, so you could text it to each other. And we have our stationary model. So what you need to do is just fill the hopper up, and then you press start. And it's going to show you the moisture, temperature, and test weight. Temperature for the grain, you could do it from -5 Celsius to 50 Celsius or 23 Fahrenheit all the way to 125 Fahrenheit. So it's really good if you have a grain dryer. So it shows you moisture, temperature, test weight, and if you hit the print, it will give you a printout. And this is our agar sampler. So with this agar sampler, all you need to do, you just take your inspection plate out, and we will give you one of these plates. Any type of, we have different plates for different agars. And you just mount these plates into your agar, and then mount this agar sampler, and it will give you representative sample instead of using the scoops. I'm gonna pass it to my coworker now.
Hey, this is Nick with Prairie Grain Analyzers. I'm going to show you our portable protein tester. So you just turn it on here. It takes a few seconds to start up. You select whatever crop you're going to be sampling on. We're going to be doing some wheat. Just check tray's empty. Click the button. This is just measuring the reference, so it'll zero it out. It's a very small sample size. All you need is a ½ teaspoon for this. So you just grab your ½ teaspoon. Now you can hold up the sample. Just dump it in. Make sure it's just like that. Close it up. Press the button. And then it's going to give you your protein, your moisture, and it's also going to give you carbohydrate and oil content right there. You can connect this to your phone as well if you'd like. This is portable. You can bring it in the field with you too. Runs off AA batteries, so very easy to use. And I'm going to show you some of our other products here. Here we have the S-Green, which is our near infrared protein analyzer. This can do lots of different cool things, and there's lots of crop calibrations available on it. We have our automatic seed counter, so you don't gotta count hundreds of seeds and then forget what number you're at. And then here we have our bin monitoring system prototype. This here is our master unit, and this is going to be our remote unit here. You can connect this to any kind of cable in any bin. Very easy to install. We have our falling number machine, our flour mill, and also our bourner divider here. So yeah, that's kind of what we got going on here. And we're down here at Agri-Trade. This is day 2. So yeah, come down and check us out. Thank you.